All right, 7.5, present value of an annuity. If you're in the grade 11M class, you're looking at 8.6, which is the same title. Regular withdrawals means withdrawals of equal value at equal periods. Present value of an annuity is the amount of money needed to finance a series of regular withdrawals. An example of where we can use this is we save enough money to have a retirement where we pay ourselves. So the idea is that we are paying ourselves for the future. The A formula, the RAIN, is the future. Here, what we have is the present value, how much money is in the account now. And as it gains interest throughout the thing, you're being paid a certain amount of money. So here is the PRIN formula. I call this the princess formula. Looks awkward, looks difficult, but note again that the P at the beginning means that there must be a negative n in the exponent, and there it is. So I call it the princess formula. That's the very last formula that we need to learn in this section. So PRIN is here to stay. All right, so you're given an example. Let's look at the entire example, and we get this. How much should be in an account today so that withdrawals in the amount of $1,500 per week can be made for the next 40 years if interest is at a rate of 7.8% per annum compounded weekly? So again, we're looking at a question where there's week and weekly. So the payments are made every week and there is compounding weekly. So that's what makes it an ordinary simple annuity. Now, we need to calculate we need to figure out what it's asking. How much should be invested in an account today? How much should be in that account now so that you have $1,500 in the future? So future withdrawals per week. To do that, we need to set up the PRIN, which is the princess. P's don't know. R we know is 1,500. I is 0.078 divided by 52. And N is equal to 40 times 52. What you have to do is plug this information into the equation. We do that by plugging in the original equation, 1,500 times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of N, which is 2,080. Don't forget it's negative N, all divided by I. This formula right here, this one right here, folks, the one with the red hand, is a very important formula for you to memorize. This particular formula can help you figure out how much you need to retire with. This particular question says that in order to have $1,500 out per week for the 40 years after retirement, you need to have $955,739.49 in the account today to yield roughly a $1,500 per week kind of payment to yourself. So this question here is a knowledge question, and this is how you solve it. If there's any questions, please come and see me. Take care, folks.